Hey guys, it's Manda Panda and I'm back with a highly requested video for Littlest Pet Shop glitter globes. To make the globes, you are going to need some Littlest Pet Shop figurines. I got this birthday surprise set, but you can use whatever figurines you have laying around the house. You're going to need a snow globe. This is a plastic one from Hobby Lobby. You'll need some glycerin, and this is so that the glitter doesn't stick to each other. And it is going to run you about $3.99 at a craft store. Some water, some E6000 glue, and I'm using this because it is waterproof, and glitter. I'm using a new glitter for this video. I bought the ultra fine glitter, and this is completely optional, but I picked up some purple ribbon to line the base of the water globe. And here is the globe. It's 3 parts. It has the screw-on bottom. It has the actual globe where you put the water in, and then it has this base, and we are going to glue directly onto this base right here. So I have Penny Link, Buttercream Sundae, whoopsie, Zoe Trent, Pepper Clark, and Madame Pomme LeBlanc. And the set also came with all these really amazing birthday figurines. Now they don't all fit in the snow globe, so I'm gonna have to pick one, and I chose Penny Ling because she's a panda and I love pandas. So here she is. She has these little holes in her body where you can put some of the little accents that came with the little birthday set that I got. I chose the cupcake, and I want her to be holding the cupcake. So I put some glue on the back of this, and I'm gonna glue it directly into her hand so that way it doesn't fall off when I put it in the actual water. And oh wow, what is that? That's a birthday cake, a heart flower thing, a star. I like the star. So I think I'm going to put a star in her hair. I think that's her hair. Is that her ear? I think that looks cute there. So let's put some glue on that so that way we have it securely fastened to Penny when we put it into the water. If I can get this in here, and there it goes. How adorable. So there's Penny with her cupcake and her star. So I've decided to put Penny on top of the table, and I want to make sure that this is tall enough. So I'm doing a little size test by just putting the water globe on top just to make sure that it fit inside. And let's take a look at this table. It's pretty cool. It's teal and pink and it's bright, and we're going to put glue right at the bottom and glue it right in the middle, smack dab in the center of the base. And when you're gluing it on here, make sure that you're being really generous with the glue, because we do not want this to fall apart in the water. We want this to last so we can show everybody and display it, because it's going to come out really adorable. And so there we go, lots of glue, and I'm just going to smush it down right here. And here's Penny. And I'm gonna glue Penny on the table too. So let's get some glue on Penny, and make sure that you're putting lots of glue just to make sure we can get a really secure attachment here to the table. And I know you're not supposed to sit on the table, so Penny, she's being a bad girl today, but this is the only way I could make her fit in my snow globe. And so the set came with this cool little teapot set. And I thought it'd be really cool if we put this on the table, so it's kind of like Penny is just sipping some tea and eating a cupcake and just having a really good old time. So I like this setup. Let me get some glue on the bottom here of the cup and the saucer, and we'll glue that on the right side, and then we'll get the teapot on the left side of her. This is so cute. I'm loving the way that this comes out. And again, you guys, use your own artistic creativity, and you make your snow globes however you want to make them with whatever you have lying around the house. Don't think you have to go out and buy special things. So once you have everything glued onto the base, let the glue dry. Let it dry completely so that way nothing falls apart in the water. And here's the finished product. Penny Ling with her cupcake, drinking some tea. So adorable. I am loving this setup. It is so cute. So we have to do one last thing, and it's called the shake test. So we're just gonna shake, 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 shake. And I do that just to make sure that everything is 100% secure before we put it in the water and before we shake it. So here's the glycerin. I like to put the glycerin into the snow globe first, so that way I can see how much I am putting in there. And I kind of just eyeball it. I fill up the entire bottom of it with the glycerin, like about that much. And then I'm gonna fill it up halfway with water. And I have it in a glass bowl to not make a mess, because you might spill some water. And next we're gonna add the glitter. So I'm putting a little bit of silver, a little bit of gold. And once that's done, we're gonna fill it up with water all the way to the top, guys. All the way to the top. And if you spill some, that's okay, because it's in another bowl and we're not gonna make a mess. And so it's time to put Penny in the water. And she should fit, you know, you're just gonna put it in slowly. And we are gonna push the white base all the way in and make it secure, so that way no water escapes from our snow globe when we turn it right side up. So cute. And then once that's done, all you gotta do is screw the base on really, really tight, and the snow globe is done. But if you want to jazz yours up a little bit, you can take the packaging from your figurines and you can cut out one of the various logos that's on the box. And here's the ribbon. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue that directly to the bottom of the base, and we're gonna cover up all that boring white at the bottom. So all I did was I measured it out and I cut it a little bit longer than I measured, just in case. And so here we're gonna put one line of hot glue down, and we're going to just press that onto the base. And be careful not to burn yourself, guys. Let it dry for a second, and then we are going to pull that ribbon all the way around and safely secure it. Again, on the back in the same spot, I'm just going to put another small thin line of hot glue. And this ribbon, oh my gosh, it really makes these glitter globes pop. It's so pretty. This purple is just fabulous. So again, we're just going to let that glue dry, and then we're just going to cut off that excess little piece of ribbon that we have in the back. Now we're going to take that Littlest Pet Shop logo that we cut off the box, and I chose to cut it off of a pink side because I like the contrast between the pink and the purple. And I just put a line of glue straight in the middle, and I am going to glue this smack dab in the middle of this glitter globe. How adorable is this, guys? Let's take a look at the finished product. Look at it. Oh my gosh, this glitter globe is so cute. Let me shake it up some more and show you guys the back. Wow. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Well, I want to thank everybody for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the like button if this video is something that you enjoyed watching.